what we learned about last week. It was about sounds, the sitting position.
Hello children, you are welcome to today's lesson. You are going to focus on me, Miss Rita, and we are going to follow sounds. But how? You are going to look at me, listen to the sounds that I'm going to produce, but using my body. Are we ready to do this together? Here we go. Again. And that is it. That is all that I wanted you to do. Now try it. Watch the video again and then try producing your own sound. So for your exercise, I want you to ask politely someone in your house to record you while you're creating sounds with the different parts of your body. It could be that. It could be. Don't forget to send me your video.